The demand to declare the annual floods in Assam a national disaster has been ignored by successive governments. Tonight, the death toll in Assam has risen to 93. Hundreds and thousands of homes have been washed away. Over 2,000 villages are underwater. Millions are marooned. Now, I feel granting aid is just not enough. Assam's expectations are much higher from the Modi government. But will the government fulfill it? Let's debate.
"93 lives lost so far.
हमारा घर में है पानी, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी हो गया।
28 lakh plus affected.
और हमारा वो जो कोपली है ना, वो कोपली में जो पार है ना, वो पार मैंने ऐसा भांग के वो रास्ता में आ गया।
26 out of 33 districts in the state of Assam are marooned by floods.
Floods have caused immense losses to over 2,000 villages in the state of Assam. As floodwaters continues to rise high, the situation remains grim across the state. We are now in Dharamtul area of Morigaon district, where the river Kopili has been causing havoc, and as you see, many houses has been inundated by the floodwaters.
As the extent of damage and unprecedented devastation unravels, the citizens of Assam are questioning the government. They want the annual floods to be declared a national calamity.
All the governments, either in Assam, irrespective of all political parties, they have failed miserably to solve this vexed problem. And we have a resentment. All the political leaders, all the political parties, most of the intellectuals of the country, they don't think there is a part of the country beyond Calcutta that is Assam and Northeast. Why?
For now, the centre has released the first installment of aid worth 346 crore. But it is not enough. These voices must reach the government.
Around 70 lakhs people are in trouble. So it's high time Assam flood be declared as a national calamity. We have been demanding it for long periods of time. But it's high time Government of India takes a firm decision and declare it as a national calamity. It's a very, very serious problem.
It has been a long-standing demand. If declared a national disaster, the state is expected to get national support from the NDRF. A calamity relief fund will be set up with a corpus shared 3:1 between centre and state. It could lead to the formation of a national calamity fund, which will be 100% funded by the centre in case resources of the calamity relief fund prove to be inadequate, and concessional loans may also be granted to the people if the disaster is declared severe. So will the government wake up to the demands of the people of Assam? Let's debate.